We got a puppy pen, I believe that's what it's called, for puppies. Because the mom is training them off. We're going to build it like a square. So, I'm going to have to do that. There's no really good instructions. I guess probably about 2 wide and 2 wide again. So, I'm going to give it a try. I got it to about as square as I can, but I'm going to try and even it out a little bit more. I want to have the corners connected and everything. Connectors, that's how this looks, and this comes connected. So it's automatically in a straight line. Well, it's not in a straight line, but it's kind of like it's like just like this the whole time. So now I need to open this up, which I can poke through it. Not quite. Can you poke through it? I should hold it with the 2 hands. Got it. Alright. Just gotta stick this together now. Alright, this here is to stick it in the ground. So where you want it, you just push it in, take like a hammer or something and pound it. Or if you can just stick it straight down. But it's pretty rocky here. Like I'm hitting a rock. Move over. There, I'm not hitting a rock. And then it will go underneath. Push it down the rest of the way. Like that. I missed. Come on. Like that. And now, it's not going anywhere so the puppies can't pick it up. This is just this. I wish I had a little bit of a different for connecting there. Seriously, kitty. Okay, it's okay. Just go like this, I guess.
Yeah, that's, I guess. What if you use it for leashes?
That would work. I think there's 2 more. Just like that. Now, I'm just gonna clip this one here, and this one here. Now,
Yeah,
latch,
little door.
Little door. Where the puppies, I guess. Stay in there, puppies. Now, just put these in. I put one here. I'm gonna put one here now. Push it down, then scoot it into it, and then push it down the rest of the way. Another one. Push it down, pull it in. That one turned. I don't want them to turn. And push it down. It's a puppy that got out. So now,
Who is it?
I think it's. I can check them.
Yeah.
Just put it in, every single one. I didn't do any math. Harvey. That's the small one. It's the runt.
Should we make sure he works in there?
You can put him in, I don't care.
Okay. Because he's a pro escaper. Yeah, we gotta see if he can escape. Get out.
Put the kitty in too.
Oh, okay. Kitty, you're not escaping.
She probably can.
Hey,
Oh, I missed.
Be careful.
Wait, no, I didn't have it.
You're playing. Yeah. Shut the door.
That's exactly how it was made, the way I'm doing it. I've got one left. Hit a rock. Wanna watch it climb, guys? I'm gonna climb out now.
Hey, I don't think she can. I think the
Oh,
gaps
boy.
are too big.
Please don't tell me I bent that.
That's just as weak as a 10th thing. 10th state.
I mean, I've kind of bent it back.
That'll work. Should work. We should put diesel in.
Go for it. Actually, yeah, let's.
Adrian, are you able to lift them?
Just gonna push into that one.
That might
No.
be like your
Hey, Diesel, come here, boy.
Diesel, come here.
Diesel, come here.
We need a pen.
And go. Come on.
Diesel.
It's okay. Come on, boy. Alright, almost tripped. Shut the door.